If you're interested in seeing how I make these delicious coconut and cranberry rock cake, please stay tuned to the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, you guys, I will be making coconut rock cake. So for this recipe, you'll just need a couple of ingredients. You will need some flour, sugar, vanilla essence, coconut milk powder, butter, eggs, salt, and in mine I also put some cranberry, and you will also need some baking powder. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. And also guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So first we're gonna start off by adding 3 cups of flour to our sifter or strainer. Then you're gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, next you're gonna add half a cup of coconut milk powder, next you're gonna add your mixed spice, or if you don't have mixed spice, you're gonna add nutmeg and cinnamon. Guys, there is also a video on my channel showing you how I do my mixed spice. Okay? And you're gonna also add half a teaspoon of salt. So next we're gonna sift this just to get out any chunks or lumps of flour. And as you can see here, we have chunks of flour. So we're just gonna break this up in the strainer and continue to sift. Okay. Next, you're gonna add 1.5 cups of sugar. Just gonna mash this in. So just mix this in nicely into the flour. Then you're gonna add 7 tablespoons of butter. And then you're just gonna mash the butter into the flour. So once you have thoroughly mashed your butter into your flour, you're gonna go ahead and add some shredded coconut. And this is 1 cup of shredded coconut. Also, I will be adding half a cup of cranberry to the flour mix, and I'm just gonna stir this in nicely. Next to this mixture, you're gonna add your 1 egg and also your vanilla essence. And also you wanna add 1/2 cup of coconut milk. And then you're just gonna mix everything nicely together. And if you feel you need some more liquid, just add a little bit more coconut milk or some water. So once you add your coconut milk, you want to then use a spoon or use your hands to roll it into a moist dough. Okay, so like a cookie-like dough texture. Okay, like what I did here. So instead of finishing it with my spoon, I decided to just go in with my hands and roll it into a moist cookie dough texture, just like this. Okay, so now we're gonna get our baking sheet and continue the recipe. So now you're gonna get your lightly greased cookie sheet, and then you're gonna just take off a chunk of the coconut rock cake dough, and then you're just gonna place them on your cookie sheet. So you just take off some chunks like this. And this recipe typically will make about 13 to 14 rock cake, depending on the size that you're going for. Yes guys, so now I've placed my coconut rock cakes on the cookie sheet. So now I'm gonna just add this to the oven for 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. Okay, so now that they're all finished and on the cookie sheet, this is what it's looking like. And I'm just gonna put it in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes on 350 degrees. So there you have it guys, my coconut rock cake. So I just took it out of the oven, so I'm just gonna let it cool down for a bit. Then I'm gonna put it in a plate and then bring you in for a close-up. So stay tuned. So there you have it guys, our coconut rock cake has been cooling for about 15 minutes and this is what it's looking like. Let me break one and show it to you. There you go, this is what it's looking like on the inside. So if you've stayed until the end, thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.